Welcome everybody to Lego Indiana Jones set 7620, ages 6 to 12. Very nice set. I thought it was worth the £8 that I got it for. Yeah, there's the box and there's a little minifigures on the side. I don't know who that guy is, so please tell me. And I have not seen the movie. Yeah, there's some guy. Don't know who he is, some god. I need Indiana Jones, I know. And right, here are the instructions for the set. Very simple, building all the people. Moving on, building all the stuff. Quite fun to build. And yeah, that's for that. See that picture. Onto the minifigures. Comes with Indiana Jones. He's got very good detail on his clothes, and his little bag and his hat, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool. He comes with this little elastic whip. I really like this whip because it's elastic. Cool. And there's this guy. I don't know who he is, like Indiana Jones' grandpa or something. Yeah, please tell me in the comments. Yeah, and that guy, he comes with this little map. Something to do with the movie. I have not seen the movie. Okay. Now it comes with, and it also comes with this guy, like this guard or something stands in there. Yeah, he has these cool goggles that go down. I like his top, I think it looks really cool. And onto the set. Right, can't see like these motorbikes. I really like them because they can stand up. Yeah, that's a really good feature. And like, he would sit on there. And you like play with them like that. And this one, yeah, it's like the same, only with like a little cart sound, as you can see. That's just another little bit to add on. And yeah, pretty cool. And you can stick Indiana Jones whip on there, and with a little bag here. Oh yeah, onto like the feet. Can't see like these two little boxes. It does. See if I can get one open. Ooh. And I like to store little guns in them. Gun holders. I actually came. For me, I got lucky and I got. You know, it comes with like spare parts. For a spare part, I got a little gun, which is pretty cool. And there's another box. Open pretty easy. And it also comes with this flag. I think it's a nice touch. And then it comes with this bit. The main bit. What's that? I think. Yeah, you can stand like your guy in there. And then he would like open it up, yeah. And then he'll come in. And overall, I think this set is really cool, and I'll rate it out of 10. 9 people, 9. Okay. Bye everyone. Please rate and comment. Leave 5 stars. Yeah.